What if I told you that creating high quality cinematic videos doesn't require a truckload of expensive gear or an entire backpack full of gear? Imagine having everything you need to shoot your videos all in one compact kit. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down the ultimate solo creator filmmaking kit that is lightweight, versatile, and perfect for you as a content creator who wants to focus specifically on storytelling without all the distractions. First up, the base of your kit that everything builds on the camera itself. For you as a solo creator, a mirrorless camera is the way to go. They're fairly lightweight, compact, and deliver incredible image quality. Look for features like 4K or 6K video recording, fast autofocus, and in-body stabilization to keep your shots steady. Cameras like the Sony a7S III or a7 IV, Canon R5, or the R6 Mark II are excellent choices that creators are currently using today. Remember that your camera is the base of your filmmaking kit, so choose one that fits your shooting style, meets your needs, and won't break your budget. Let's talk lenses, starting with the wide zoom lens. This is the go-to for establishing shots, vlogging, and capturing landscapes or tighter indoor spaces that you find yourself in when you're out filming. A 16-35mm f2.8 lens is a go-to for many creators for this because it offers sharpness, flexibility, and great low-light performance. Plus, it reduces the need to carry multiple lenses, being able to adjust your focal range from 15 to 35mm, and it makes your setup more manageable. Now for those cinematic close-ups, B-roll, or getting some epic character shots, the telephoto zoom lens is a must. Something like a 70 to 200mm 2.8 will give you the versatility to shoot subjects from a distance while maintaining that beautiful background, that crispy bokeh blur that everyone likes. It's ideal for also using it for interviews or wildlife shots, and getting some dynamic B-roll, getting into that 100mm range is going to give you some great compression and add depth and emotion to your visuals. I really like this lens. I had a video on this lens. If you want to check out more about this, I'll leave it linked up here. Filters can either make or break your footage, and there'll be times when the light is just too bright to get good footage, or the reflections may be too distracting, and there are two essential filters to help with that: the ND and CPL filters. You may have heard an ND filter acts like sunglasses for your lens from someone. I'm going to tell you, not just getting an ND filter, but getting a variable ND filter is going to be the best option for you creating videos. A variable ND filter is going to allow you to adjust the light getting into your lens, giving you better exposure control in bright conditions. This is crucial for maintaining that cinematic shallow depth of field look while using the 180-degree shutter rule. And the CPL filter, on the other hand, helps reduce reflections and glare. It's perfect for shooting around water, glass, or any reflective surfaces. I got this PLV-ND 2:5 filter that has both of the combined filters on it, the CPL and the variable ND. You can get them separate, but both filters are compact. You can see this is a very thin, small, compact filter, and the covers on this are just next level. Slipping this onto the lens is so fast and efficient. Instead of having to screw it on to the lens and worry about damaging your threads, you'll just clip this on and slip it on like that, the front cover off, and you're good to go with your filter. If you're ready to step up your video quality, click the link in the description to grab the ND filters that I would recommend, these Polar Pro variable NDs. Smooth shots are essential, especially if you need to get a more professional look for client work, or if you want to level up your own video quality, and that's where a gimbal comes in. The gimbal eliminates camera shake, it keeps it level, it keeps it smooth. I have the DJI RSC2, but any model above the 2 is a good choice. The other models like DJI RS3 Mini or the Zune Weeble 3 are portable and easy to use, making them perfect for keeping your kit small, whether you're walking, running, or shooting complex movements. A gimbal will keep your footage buttery smooth. One of the biggest mistakes you can make is overpacking your gear, bringing everything you think you might need instead of just the essentials to get creating, which leads to decision fatigue, wasting time instead of actually getting out and creating, or just overwhelmed with all of the extra gear that you might use. By keeping your gear minimal and your kit small, you can focus more on creating rather than messing with your gear. You'll know that every item in your kit is carefully selected to serve multiple purposes without adding extra bulk, and that helps you stay light and ready to capture at any moment as it happens. One more thing I forgot to mention is a good microphone. As a filmmaker, you're going to need good external audio, so I would choose a good external mic. I'll have some suggestions for you here. You can check them out in the link in the description as well, whether you want to have an external mic like this, or if you want to get some wireless mics where you can just plug them in and go and record that way, then I'll have those options available for you down in the description as well. So there you have it, the best solo creator filmmaking kit to keep you light, agile, focused on creating with the right camera, versatile lenses, essential filters, a gimbal for smooth shots, microphones to be able to record good audio, because that is very important as well. You'll be equipped to shoot great content wherever your creativity takes you, wherever your journey takes you this year. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips on filmmaking gear, filmmaking tips, and I'll see you in this video next.